According to IBM, in a 2018 report, it is estimated that on average, it takes 197 days to identify a cybersecurity breach. Gartner believes that 99% of cloud security failures will be the customer's fault. Why is this? Organizations have hundreds of sources generating log events each day. Even with reporting and automation tools, most IT departments don't have the resources to validate the legitimacy of each log event. A large portion of important log events are generated from users, such as logins from new devices, emails sent, or newly created inbox rules. Introducing the newest solution from Voleer, targeted security notifications for Office 365. Our solution sends activity notifications directly to users, allowing them to identify potential breach activity and alert IT. These notifications can be configured to show only relevant events and run whenever and as often as you need. At Voleer, we believe in maximizing the technology you already own. Try out the Office 365 targeted security notifications or browse our out-of-the-box assessments at Voleer.com.